Nikki Delamont was shot and killed. This is... Alright, well, I'll Google it. Nobody tweeted me anything. Cleveland reporter Nikki Delamonte died of multiple gunshot wounds. And they found her on... I guess she was found on Monday. That's really sad. Here, let's look at this real quick before we sign off. A highly regarded young reporter in Cleveland, Nikki Delamonte, who was found dead with her uncle, died of multiple gunshot wounds. So that's the development here. Her uncle was found to have died of a single gunshot wound. They found the two bodies Monday morning after Nikki Delamonte's mother reported her missing and drove to the scene. So her daughter's car was parked outside the trailer with her phone and wallet still inside. Delamonte was only 30 years old. She had only recently gotten in touch with her uncle on her father's side after losing touch with him when her parents divorced. Delamonte planned to watch a football game with her uncle at a bar, but she never came home. Wow. I mean, I don't know much about her reporting. I mean, I know the name, and that's really sad. Based on the report, it sounds like a murder-suicide. He only died of one gunshot wound. She had a couple. I mean, that's what it sounds like on the surface. Maybe some of you guys know more about it than I do. But in typical Get Your News On With Ron fashion, I am seeing all this for the first time. But that's really sad. Only 30 years old.
Get your news on with Ron. Don't you want to know what's going on? We're getting our news on today. Get your news on with Ron. Don't you want to know what's going on? We're getting our news on today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can tweet me an article at Ron Placone. We'll go through it together and